Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss some vitamins to improve eyesight. The eye is a complex organ that requires many vitamins to function properly. Keeping your eyes healthy is important, as vision is a vital ability for life. Therefore, it is important to know the various vitamins that can nourish the eyes. There are certain vitamins that are essential for maintaining better eye health. To have healthy eyes, everyone needs vitamin intake. That way, you can avoid various problems that can occur in the eyes. Lack of certain vitamins can increase the risk of some eye conditions, such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Research shows that some vitamin and mineral supplements can help protect or slow the progression of these conditions. There are many types of vitamins that need to be fulfilled to maintain eye health, some of which are vitamin A, vitamin C, zinc, and others. Here is a selection of vitamins that you can take to keep your eyes healthy to avoid myopia and other eye diseases. 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A plays an important role in vision by maintaining the clarity of the cornea, which is the outer layer of your eye. It is also a component of rhodopsin, a protein in the eye that allows you to see in low light conditions. Vitamin A deficiency is rare in developed countries, but if left untreated, it can lead to a serious condition called xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia is a progressive eye disease that begins with night blindness. If vitamin A deficiency persists, your tear ducts and eyes can dry out. Eventually, your cornea softens, resulting in permanent blindness. For general eye health, vitamin A-rich foods are more recommended than supplements. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source, as are green leafy vegetables, pumpkin, and bell peppers. 2. Zinc. Zinc is found in almost all multivitamins as it is an essential nutrient for the body. It is used to boost the immune system and help the body heal wounds quickly. Keep in mind, the combination of zinc with various vitamins can help in protecting the retina and lowering the risk of macular degeneration. This content is essential in cell division and growth so that the eyes are kept healthy. Some food sources that are rich in zinc include fish, beef or mutton, and nuts. Therefore, try to consume these foods as easy tips to maintain eye health. 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that acts as an antioxidant, which is a compound that protects body cells from free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, which can damage the eyes and lead to diseases such as cataracts and glaucoma. People who consume vitamin C are less likely to develop cataracts than those who do not. Vitamin C also helps in the formation of collagen, which is a protein that makes up the structures of the eye, such as the cornea and sclera. Natural sources of vitamin C include avocados, bell peppers, broccoli. 4. Vitamin E. Many eye conditions are believed to be related to oxidative stress, which is an imbalance between antioxidants and free radicals in your body. Vitamin E is a group of fat-soluble antioxidants. It can serve to protect fatty acids from harmful oxidation. Since our retina has a high concentration of fatty acids, adequate vitamin E intake is considered important to fulfill to support our eye health. In addition, some studies suggest that a diet high in vitamin E may help prevent age-related cataracts. Nonetheless, a diet containing adequate vitamin E is recommended to maintain eye health. Some such vitamin E options include nuts, seeds, and cooking oils. Salmon, avocados, and green leafy vegetables are also good sources. Those are some of the vitamins that are recommended for you to consume so that eye health is maintained. Make sure to fulfill all these vitamin needs so that the eyes are kept away from vision problems, such as cataracts. But if your eye health is already quite severe, immediately go to the doctor to get further treatment. This video is for educational purposes only. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.